Well, we see the sound wall the way it is as a project. It's basically that the FDOT dropped the ball on the 10-yard line and they're declaring a touchdown, whereas you can see that basically there's a whole residential section of this University 75 corridor that is not included in their sound wall. So we'd like them to reconsider and extend it at this point before it costs the taxpayers more down the road. They've said it won't happen at this point, but that's why we're here fighting for it to sort of rectify the situation. We feel their original sound study was short-sighted and possibly there were flaws in it, so we'd like to address that.
We've been working on this for like 11 years on and off, and DOT has said that we're not part of their original plan. We don't understand that when we see all the amazing projects going on, why they wouldn't want to finish this and do the right thing by us.